Hi all, in this tutorial we'll talk about the semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. In 1957, Michelson and Stahl experiment explained the mode of DNA replication. They did the experiment to prove the semi-conservative model of DNA replication. Here we can see the clear picture of experiment in which they grown the E. coli bacteria in heavy nitrogen medium for many generations, and then they transfer into the light nitrogen medium for many generations and to check the incorporation of light nitrogen to know the model of semi-conservative DNA replication. When the DNA from the first 4 generations of E. coli was analyzed, and it produced a pattern of bands as shown in the figure. In the 0th generation, the DNA isolated from the cells at the start of the experiment, and that is just before to switch into the N14 medium. It produces a single band after centrifugation, and it contains only the heavy N15 nitrogen. And in the first generation, the DNA isolated after 1 generation also produce a single band when centrifuged, and this band was higher intermediate in density and in between the N15 and N14 medium. And in the second generation, it produced 2 bands. One is hybrid band and one is light band, and it proves the replication is semi-conservative in nature. And in the third generation, it produces hybrid bands and light bands, and hybrid bands become fainter and the light bands become the stronger. And in the fourth generation, the hybrid bands become progressively fainter and the light bands become progressively stronger. Here we can see the clear picture of different bands in different generation of bacteria after the centrifugation. In the 0th generation, they found only one band which contains only N15 DNA, and in the first generation, they found the hybrid band which contains the N14 and N15 DNA, and in the second generation, they found the 2 bands. One is hybrid band and one is light band, and hybrid band contains the N14 and N15 DNAs, and in light band only N14 DNAs. From these observations, Michelson and Stahl confirms that the DNA replication is semi-conservative in nature. And in next video, we are going to talk about how replication starts and proceeds. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.